Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. YouTube, how you doing today? I'm doing great. It's another day and I am about to make me a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm not going to record it or anything, but it made me think of something, and so I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and throw this together because grocery prices are ridiculous. So I wanted to talk about being frugal, how you can save money and those type of things. It's just a quick reminder because everybody is struggling in some way, emotionally, financially, different things, physically. Whatever your bout is and whatever it's with, then sometimes you need to talk to somebody about it so you can try to find a solution. I could talk about money every day. Maybe my situation would change. Maybe it wouldn't. Maybe somebody will send me a whole bunch of money. Who knows? But my thing is, I don't do it with the intent on making people feel sorry or anything like that. I always look for solutions. And I'm eating every day. I'm just not eating what people want me to eat. Okay? I crack myself up. I mean, cheese toast today. I really want a cheese toast. I got some real Kraft cheese. I splurged and spent $1.65 more than I usually would spend. I just get the little no name, but I saw a commercial for a Kraft cheese toast melt sandwich, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna make that today. So I'm making that, and I also got some waffle fries from Walmart. So my meal today, I didn't eat any breakfast today, but I'm finna get up and make it now. Waffle fries, I'm gonna put them in the oven, no grease or anything. And then I'm gonna make the cheese toast. I got 2% Kraft cheese, and I'm going to, with wheat bread, and I'm going to make me a melted cheese toast sandwich with waffle fries. And my Crystal Light is in the freezer. You know I like the Crystal Lemonade. You know, maybe they'll send me a thing and I can make me some money because I absolutely love Crystal Light. So anyway, we are looking for ways to save money. So you make meals that are not quite expensive. Now, I remember, many moons ago when money was not a major option and I just shopped. I really did. I used to just go shopping, try to save as much as I could, but it was a different type of survival back then. It wasn't a big thing about how much I was spending on grocery because it was 5 of us. We got to eat. So it's no real substitution for that. So my thing is, it's different back then than it is now. Back then, if I wanted a porterhouse steak or some, I don't know, scallops, all that good stuff I love, or some king crab legs, I just go get them. And then I remember a couple weeks ago, my friend Annabelle she do the ASMR videos, and she did one with the crabs, and I caught myself, my mouth was, I said, oh my goodness. And I couldn't even remember. I cannot remember the last time I had crabs. I absolutely, always been my absolute favorite because my second, third duty station was Maryland. And so we was at Chesapeake Bay, and we used to go crabbing all the time. We didn't have to buy them because it was just an abundance of them. But that's when I got my first real taste of crabs, blue crabs, as a matter of fact. And I've been loving them ever since. So that is I really, really love crabs. Crabs, scallops, shrimp. You know, I'm a seafood type of girl. Crawfish, that type of thing. So anyway, I've always looked for ways to save money. So when I make my gumbo, the crabs are way too expensive. But there's ways around it. Some people use imitation or this, whatever. I'd rather just not use any at all. But it'll still come out okay. But you look for ways to save money. So for instance, it's Taco Tuesday. Maybe you want to make a taco. Ground beef is, I don't know how much it costs a pound. I just look for what's reduced, what's on sale, whatever. Alternative is turkey. You can save money that way. So that's something to think about. You got leftover chicken, you can make a chicken taco. And I've never had the fish taco, but I'm doing a little research on that because the fish part is throwing me off. But that's why I like to just try stuff. Let's not talk about the ingredients too much. And that's why I've always been when I want to try something new. But we are all trying to make it. We are all struggling. And for the people who, this is your first time here and you might not know, I am a disabled veteran of the United States Navy. And so I have a fixed income. So with that fixed income, fixed means stationary, that's how much I get. So I have a budget for my bills and you know what you got to pay, incidentals, and I have a grocery budget, and I don't extend that. The grocery budget has got some shots, and this time last year I had somebody who was helping me with the groceries. That works sometimes it don't. But my integrity is just not for sale. So I do what I got to do. And then back then I used to do what I call Meatless Mondays, where I'd show you a recipe that didn't involve meat because we're trying to save money. But if you go to the grocery store and you get the stuff that you need, you know, the bread, the eggs, I like to get lots and lots of rice, and I like kidney beans and chili. I like chili and stuff like that. And a lot of people don't like that. It doesn't really bother me. I went without meat at my last time I went to the grocery store. I had a couple dollars extra, but I figured with the season, you got to look at what time of year it is too. Especially if you live in Florida, you got hurricanes, tropical storms, that type of thing. Always have water at hand. Now, as you can see, this is my water station that I have right at the back door, and I use this when I go out. I grab me some water. That's my way of reminding myself, but it's also a way of me knowing when I'm running low. I like to have water in the fridge because I like to drink my water cold. I put it in the freezer, get chips of ice, and I drink it. I don't like lukewarm water. Like this water, if I grab this and take it out, I don't want to drink it. It's room temperature. But I'll take it with me if I need to have water because, you know, bottled water like $5, depending on where you go, Mars, the moon, where, you know what I'm saying. Okay. So that's what I try to do. I save money couponing. I save money anywhere I can. And that's why I try to share on here. So today we're going to eat the cheese toast and the waffle fries, and I don't even know, the bread was $1.25. Like I said, I paid $1, like 65 cents extra to get the Kraft cheese, but I got other cheese in there, but that's what I wanted for today. Never compromise what you really enjoy if you can afford it. So, I mean, I did the cheese. I didn't have to, but that's what I wanted for today. Now, for the people who's going to say, well, you like crabs, you might as well just splurge one time. One meal of crabs could feed me I just feel it's so wasteful for me because of my need. Now, my thing is, my pantry is not filled. That's very hard for somebody like me. But I'm frugal now, so seeing it doesn't trigger any negative vibes from me. But the old Sean, the OCD Sean, would see that my pantry is not stacked the way that I like it, and it was very hard for me. So you have to do what works for you, your house, your apartment, your family. And if stocking up on food and, you know, going to different places and making sure that pantry is full, if that works for you, continue to do it. Me, I look for different meals that don't require meat. I love chicken. I can eat chicken every day, but in different ways. I mean, breast is my favorite, then the wings. Then I eat a thigh. But, ooh, those legs, no. It's absolutely, only if I have to. Now, leg quarters can be jujubed and risen up. I'm telling you, I've had some good turnaround with the leg quarters. Now, as of today, today's date, leg quarters, not the legs, but the leg quarters are cheaper than the legs. So I can get a whole pack of the leg quarters for $4. So that's like 6 of them, 2 meals. So, you know, 3 is a lot of meat, but that's how I cook, so I can just warm it up the next day or chop it up in my salad or something like that. Now, I used to get the whole chicken all the time because that was the best way to save money. So my advice to you is, if you want to save money, try to do meatless meals. Try to eat more salads and things like that. But always add it up, subtract this, that, whatever, and you can do it. And I'm happy, I'm joyful, I'm blessed. And if I eat, I'm happy. If I eat, I am happy. And I'm gonna say it one more time for the people in the back. If I eat, I'm happy. It might not be what you want me to eat, okay? But I will eat something. Maybe it won't be any meat this week or this grocery adventure, but I know blessings come, so I'm not really worried about it, okay? So I just want you to be happy and joyful today and be grateful and thankful when you wake up, okay? So now, from this day forward, from this moment forward, let's be happy and joyful. Let's not ask for anything. Let's just be thankful, grateful, and happy that we have the joy of the Lord in our heart, okay? So no more chatty. At this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out so that we can get that cheese toast melt sandwich and those wedge French fries going on the stove, okay? I'm ready to eat. I better do the timer too. Siri. Oh, when you record, you can't use Siri. I was going to tell Siri to do a timer. I'll do it when I get off here to make sure that I don't forget about my Crystal Light. I did. So it's today, 3 days ago, I left my Crystal Light in the freezer, dozed off on the couch. I'm getting old. Dozed off, woke up, freezer full of Crystal Light. Just blew up in my little tumbler, my little coffee cup thing. Okay, so that's it. And we're going to breathe in and breathe out and get our day started so we can eat our sandwich, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you're going to Walmart to get them leg quarters, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face and treat people with the respect and dignity that they deserve, okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.